even though the fan's too loud. It's not. I mean the fan on the AC. ACs use like all of the power. All right, I'm gonna turn this up. I think that should. All right. Well, that's close enough. I'm gonna turn that up. This is Shallow Structure's new tune. Hello, YouTube viewing audience, whoever you are. Here is Shadow Structure's new tune. What's going on? What's going on? That made it sound like Shallow Structure had very dramatic music. I don't even know what that was. We're gonna watch the Negative Land Tiny Desk concert. That sounds fun. I have to mutate it there's ones that record audio, but I think they only record until space is pressed. What did this record? Let's see. It recorded something. Oh my! It recorded something. Fine. I sort of remember that. Anyway, so then all right. What do we got here? Here recording until space pressed. All right. The main thing I want to do is to here the recording is fine. Yeah, I think we can call recorded audio. I just want to change from until space pressed to 60 seconds. For 60, should I call it for 1 minute? For 1 minute. Audio record for 1 minute. And that will be a good enough start. And then I'm also gonna put here, I'll mark this so that it's for 1 minute. So I can find this one to change it later. Record for 1 minute. I'm top-down programming, so I'm just imagining that this place doesn't need anything, so that's easy to imagine. It'll create the folder and put an inbox, and then that's all it'll do, and then that's all I need. Except I just need to make an outbox and put stuff in the outbox, and then this record for 1 minute does not exist. That's not. I have to make that exist. But now the idea of it exists, and is that half the battle? Wait, knowing is half the battle, so the idea of is probably like a third of the battle, because that's most of knowing, I think. So, oh, yeah, I should change it to FLAC. There's no reason it's wave. There's no reason it's wave. I need to change it to FLAC, because that's just throwing away bytes. That's just throwing away bytes for it to, alright, okay. Phew! Alright, dodged a bullet on that one. We almost used the wave format. Wouldn't want to use the wave format in these. I mean, it doesn't matter much, but it just seems silly to me. Okay, what did I do? Now it's time to say what I did. So I have to remember what I did 1 second ago. Okay, changed it to FLAC. Thanks for the hands up. And I did what I came here to do. Make the 1 minute thing. The 1 minute recording thing. One emoji. Okay. There. I said what I did it, and I said what I did, that I did it. And so now those have changed. I can tell I'm on the right ones because the numbers changed. And now I'm going to move that to the outbox. That's all these need is an inbox and an outbox. And then there, I did it. With just that. And then the Create Children station has more. This has a script. It has an explanation even. Wow, an explanation. Yay. That's the explanation is that it looks for the number of children and makes that many children. It has a conversation that we can participate in. Yay. I'm just continuing the conversation. while making a YouTube. And it has a good little conversation, but that's not the main thing it has is the script. Create requested numbers of children with it does that. It looks in the things in its inbox. It looks in them. This is the thing that's going to get the children, and it looks in this current step here, and that says the number of children, and it looks there, and it does what it says. Let's do it. There, it made as many children as it said, presumably, and then it goes on to the next thing. Its next thing is the end. It's done, and then but its children are just getting started. So then they're going to go to what do they do? They record for 1 minute. And then now we need to make this, we need to make that real somehow. All right, we have until space pressed. That's pretty close. So if we copy this over to for 1 minute, if I copy that over to there, and then I can use this to do it probably. All I have to do is change it so that it records for a minute. Record for 1 minute. And so everything's the same pretty much. I think, oh man, my VS Code is confused about whether I have those. I'm pretty sure I have all of those. And I think it's looking at the wrong Python installer. I need to train it to look at the right one. But I'm not doing it right now because it doesn't matter that much. Oh no, if only that mattered. Oh, if only that mattered more than having as many emoji in this print statement as I wanted. Oh well. So, where's the thing I need to fix? What am I changing? I want it to record for a minute, and what it does is it records until space is pressed. Where's that? How about if I could just say to a robot, please find that and change it. Maybe that's what I should. All right, wait. Yeah, okay. It does the press space to stop. Recording. All right, let's just change what it says in the changing what it says in the print statement or the comment used to not do anything. Those were the days, huh? But then I mean that was terrible. That was a lot of work. It's way easier how now I can change it by changing what it says here. Like I can say recording for 60 seconds there with an alarm clock, and the alarm clock emoji will in fact change what happens. So yeah, that's weird. No keyboard here. Keyboard, gotta get out of here, keyboard. We don't need you. We don't need you. And it also matters what's in the imports because it's paying attention to that. So yeah, will that work? I don't know if that'll work. Let's see if that works. If that doesn't work, I'll have to ask more carefully to have it work. So, why is there so many blank lines here? Seems like a lot of blank lines. I'm just going to delete this. So now does it record for 60 seconds? What do you think? I could ask a program if there's anything wrong with it, but whatever. All right. Now it's recording for 60 seconds. It says, and it gives me the RMS. I like how it gives me the RMS now. Now I can see how loud I am. This is pretty loud. It's hard to make it go all the way to 100. I don't think I've ever seen it go to 1. Oh man, it would have to be totally slammed the entire time to average to 1. Okay. 1 minute is a long time to wait. So now I'm waiting this entire minute, and then when it gets to the end of the minute, it might be like, oh, error, you did it wrong. And then I should have tested with 10 seconds maybe. And it's not even printing a countdown, so I don't even know I should have checked what the time is. I don't know. I'm just talking in both of these recordings, 2 different levels of recordings for however much longer until it's a minute. I'm on this side, and I'm on this side, and I'm on this, and it's squeaky. Okay, phew, finally. So it thinks it's successful. It likes itself. It's happy with itself. And this seems to be, all right, there seems to be this right. Oh, now it's recording. Is that from the 60 seconds it says. And it gives me the RMS. I like how it gives me the RMS now. Now I can see. So that's right. That was a second ago. It's true. Okay. So now that station exists, it does it. if are there lots of things to hear? Okay, let's listen to things until we get that one to see if it works. Bum ba bum 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 bum. I don't even know what tune that is. Am I copywriting violating if I don't know which tune it is? I'm violating a tune I don't even know what it is. Bum ba bum bum. This is commentary on it. This is fair use. Bum. I concur. Definitely fair use. Bum 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 ba bum bum bum. Bum, 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 bum. That's sort of kind of like newsy or something. What is that? Superhero. Okay, that wasn't it. Next. Alright, now it's recording for 60 seconds, it says. Yay! And it gives me the RMS. I like how it gives me the RMS now. This is the one. Now I can see how loud I am. This is pretty loud. It's hard to make it go all the way to it again. 100. This is what just happened. I've seen it go to 1. Oh man, it would have to be totally slammed the entire time to. I'm bored of me from a second ago. Okay, aren't you bored? A minute is a long time. So wait. So I agree. I'm waiting this entire minute. Time to wait for you. And then if when it gets to the end of the minute, it might be like, okay, error. What you did it wrong. At least I know that it's going to work this time. I should have tested with 10 seconds maybe. And it does. It's not even printing a countdown, so I don't even know. And I get a bar going across. What the time is? Ha! I don't know. Sucks to be past me in both of these recordings. Oh yeah, two different levels of recordings. Wait, no. For however much longer until the minute. I'm on this side. Done. Okay. There. So it does. It works. There's other ones here too. Wonder what else. So. That's just ambiance. That's not even from the recording. That's from something else. How long can you leave potato salad out? For what effect? How do you want? I think. Are you looking for like for your picnic to be slightly woozy? What happens once I record here? It says record until you press space. Okay, and then I'm gonna press space. Okay, I'm pressing space now. Yeah, this is what happens. It gets played on this YouTube now. Okay, that's the answer to the mystery. Those things happen. That station exists now. I did it. I made a station. I was good and did some work and made a good station, and now I deserve to relax and watch the Negative and Tiny Desk concert. So I'm gonna go do that. Bye.